Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am excited to show you this fun and easy dye wall art idea. Painting a butterfly and flower around a plain light switch. It's a great way to add personality to any room without spending a fortune. I wanted to transform a boring light switch into a small piece of art. Butterflies and flowers symbolizes transformation and growth, perfect for a space where you want a touch of creativity. I also choose a bold blue for the butterfly and bright red for the flower, so they really pop against the peachy wall. You don't need a lot of fancy supplies. I used acrylic paints because they easy to work with and dry quickly. You can also use watercolors or markers if you prefer, but make sure they adhere well to the wall surface. Start by lightly sketching the butterfly and flower. This helps you map out the composition and make any corrections before painting. Once you are happy with the sketch, use a fine brush and black paint to define the edges. Don't worry about being perfect. Imperfections can add charm. Next, fill the butterfly wings with a vibrant blue. For the flower, I used a bright red with a yellow center. Feel free to experiment with color combinations. Pastel, neon, or earthy tones, whatever matches your room's theme, to make your design pop. Add shading or highlights with a lighter or darker shade of your main color. You can also outline the petals and butterfly wings with a thin line of black or white to give it a crisp finish. Finally, clean up any extra paint around the switch. If you want to protect your artwork, consider adding a clear varnish once it's fully dry. Now I tell you few quick tips. Test your colors on a scrap paper or hidden part of the wall first. Use painter's tape around the switch if you are worried about getting paint on it. Practice your design on paper before going straight to the wall. Don't be afraid to fix mistakes. Acrylic paint is very forgiving. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more dye and art content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future projects. Happy paintings! Bye bye.